thing on. Alright, nice and early in the morning. The sun should be coming up over there pretty soon. The sky's already bright, so should be here any minute. And I'm going to get giant robot parts. First delivery of giant robot parts. And a bunch of other stuff. I have a whole bunch of stuff in this delivery. I get deliveries like once a month-ish. You know, in town. I have to go get them. Or I get to go get them. It's actually kind of a fun trip. Because I get to drive my cool boat. I'm sitting on the roof right now, steering with my, oh, there's my son, steering with the, you know, the sit up here steering, because there's a steering column that goes the whole length of the boat, so I don't have to sit at the back to steer, so I can come sit up here and steer if I want. Anyway, got a couple hours to go to get to town, and I brought my wheelbarrow because there's a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm not sure how far I'm gonna have to carry what or what's going on. We'll see when I get there. All I know is I have a lot of stuff to pick up. How you turkeys doing? Good? Heavy ones for me. Alright, watch out. I don't want anyone near while I'm getting this off. Didn't feel as heavy as I was thinking it was gonna. 205 pounds. I guess when I'm doing all that digging, I carry more than 205 pounds at a time. Okay, we can get this a little closer. Problem with boats is they move. Actually, can you just make sure this... Ah, never mind, I don't want your hand. I just don't want my wheelbarrow to go in the water. Alright. Oh, you guys got it?
Nah.
Alright. Can you pull it out of there? Hold on. I put my feet here. I can... Oh, I should have brought my gloves. Sweet.
Can we open it?
Yeah, you can look inside. Alright, what's your question?
Does this have the sewer bearing have giant ball bearings inside it?
It is a giant ball bearing, the whole thing. It is one giant ball bearing.
You mean giant balls inside of it?
It has balls in here, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Can you guys turn that? That's pretty cool, eh?
Hey, it's just like the one you made on your original one. It has all the little...
You mean the 3D printed one?
Yeah,
it's a copy of this. It's supposed to be...
It's
supposed to be like exact copy of this, just way smaller. Alright, so that's just all the friction from the cardboard. Once we get the cardboard off, it should be really easy to turn it. Wow, that is smooth.
Yeah, I hear it.
Look at the size of these gear teeth. Alright, that's not mine, that's for a neighbor. Like half of this stuff is for my neighbor. I'm missing a whole bunch of giant robot parts. Oh, I mean, they were being shipped freight, so they might not have made it on this container. So maybe they're on the next one. I guess probably they're on the next one. So I'll have to come back, I don't know, a few weeks, month, whatever, and get all the sprockets for the giant robot. Oh, oh. Well, let's see how much of this stuff. Everything I ordered from Amazon looks like it's here, which is a bunch of bearings. This giant bearing came from eBay, and yeah, some foam dart guns are in there, some other stuff. Some Christmas presents. I got some Christmas presents from you guys, which is super awesome. Say it again? Yeah, this one's not from Amazon. Oh, it's bearings.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Is that a serious bearing or what? Here, move over a little bit. Check that.
Now I do.
Here, you want to hold one?
Dude, what's in here? I bet this is
let's see. This one says heavy. Oh, this is a bunch of Christmas presents. From someone sent me some stuff off my Amazon wish list. Screws. What is this? This is something heavy. What is that? Is that more screws? It might be more screws. Ooh, a crank radio. We can listen to this on the way home. That's awesome. Okay, put this somewhere where we're not going to lose it. Here, right here. We can listen to that when we're driving. Bunch of candles.
I'm seeing the candles.
Ooh, cool stuff. Is that a watch? That's a watch. Nice. I haven't had a watch in ages.
What's in that box?
What is this? Oh, this is lenses. Okay. There's a whole bunch of different lenses that are the right size to fit in my goggles.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to scratch these though. I'm gonna put them back.
You can make me a new goggles because mine didn't.
Well, these goggles have dark lenses, so we can wear them in the sun or maybe, yeah, mostly just in the sun. These are magnifying glass, so I can make another pair. You know, just unscrew that, put the magnifying lenses on, and then you can wear them, and you can like look at stuff real close. I want to keep those safe. I don't know what are these ones. Okay.
What's in here?
Quarter-inch something.
What's in here?
What the heck are these?
24 pack.
I don't want to open them yet. Okay, that's candles. Okay, here's the other set of lenses because it comes with a bunch of different lenses. So I got two sets, so we have two matching sets.
I see one lens.
And here's something heavy. Okay, I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, the MIG wire.
What's MIG?
Welding wire. MIG welding wire. Awesome. That's what that is. Yes. Flux cord wire. Yes. So that's giant robot tools. Oh, okay. You know zip ties, right? These are stainless steel zip ties.
Oh, didn't you order them?
Well, no, I put them on my wish list because I was like, I really want to see what those are like, but I couldn't quite justify buying them. But someone got them for me, which is super sweet. Let's see what we can do with those.
Small ones. Hey, Dean, what's in here? Dean, you have to 3D print me that gun.
You want me to 3D print you the Crusher, which is apparently a minigun, a rotating barrel.
You have to do it yet.
Are you sure you don't want me to 3D print this giant one?
No, I'm that
Just that one?
Yes.
All right, well, I'll think about it.
3D print me the giant
Let's see how good these are first. We just got them, right? We're not going to get the bullets out yet, though.
No.
Let's take them home first. Apparently, this thing here, which is solar powered and hand crank radio flashlight, also has a charging port, and I can charge my camera, which is great because my camera was not fully charged when I left. Jeez. Alright, these are a bunch of bearings without the housings, which are much cheaper. 1.5 inch inside diameter, if I remember correctly. I got a lot of giant robot parts, but I don't have any of the sprockets. Oh, I need the sprockets to do a bunch of the stuff. I can start some stuff without the sprockets. But yeah, to get spacing for a lot of the things, I want to put the sprockets in place with the chains on them to make sure they, you know, are positioned perfectly. And if I figure out where those are, they probably just didn't arrive in time to get on this shipping container, so they should be on the next one. But we have a bunch of stuff to play with for now. You got some stuff to play with? When I was a kid, we used to play this game. I used to play this game with my brothers, and sometimes like another friend. And what we would do, and we played it with the guns. We used to make our own, foam dart guns, except they hurt more than foam dart guns. But anyway, it was basically hide and seek. Like one guy would hide, or one guy would go into a room somewhere in the house, close the door, and he'd have to be in there for 30 seconds. And then he would come out, and all the other people would try to ambush him or her. We didn't play with girls that often, but yeah, that guy would try to not get ambushed and sneak up on the people trying to cause the ambush, which meant there was a lot of, like, instead of coming out the door, hop out the window and then go around the house to the other way and then come up behind people who are hiding behind couches and stuff. Blah, 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 blah. You guys will learn all this sneakiness. We got multiple floors of blasting area and a whole bunch of bullets. I'm gonna have to show you guys how to make your own blasters, though. That was like half the fun when I was a kid. They didn't have blasters. Well, no, they did. They had ping pong ball ones. But anyway, we made our own blasters with garbage and. Nice. Oh, and I was worried it was gonna be heavy. Man, that is awesome. I'll have to get a really good look at it tomorrow. When the sun comes back out. It's getting a little late. I was racing home. Okay, there's the screw holes for the underside. One there. One there. That thing looks so heavy duty compared to this little model. Okay, a few things. First, I wasn't sure how careful I was going to have to be about making sure I don't bend this thing. This thing is, I'm not going to bend this. Next, I need to find what the attachments are on the other side. So obviously, this top part here that's turning right now has these holes. All right, bearings, just get out of the way for a minute. Oh, I also need to check what bolts fit these. All right. Start with that is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes! I was hoping it would be a multiple of 6. Oh, that's beautiful. Because there are 6 legs and I need 6. Anyway, I need to be able to divide it into 6 sections. Now, if I'm lucky, those screw holes on the bottom will fit this bolt because I have tons of these. Come on. Threads fit. Oh, so nice. So good. Alright, that totally fits. I don't have my sprockets yet. However, I do have the bearings. Here somewhere. Oh, come on, get out here. So I know how tall this has to be when I cut it. Can't drill the holes yet to mount the bearings until I have the sprockets. But I can cut this, paint it, do the ends, do the holes that bolt into here. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff I can do before I get the sprockets. Yeah, just like that, right? So this is this piece right here. This is only half an I-beam because I have to cut that down the middle-ish and use the top part for this piece over here. Yeah, that one. And then I have some other pieces of I-beam that I can use for the two sides here. And I can get all those prepped, cut, and I can weld on this piece up here. Yeah, I have a bunch of stuff to do. Oh, I better get to it. Okay, first though, I need to go do some digging, some landscaping stuff. Yeah, I can't just giant robot all day. Right. Oh, and you know what I found? I realized in one of those bags that I thought might have been screws, and it sounded weird, totally stainless steel chain. Oh, I'm sure some of you know what this is for. A hint, it kind of goes with this. All right, I gotta go dig. I gotta.